How to tell if someone is on an Instagram call. So if you're wondering if your friend is on an Instagram call, here's what you're going to do. The first thing to do is to go to your messages. And then as you can see when you go through your messages, most people who are online is visible to you as it is indicated by the green dot below their profile. So if we click on their messages, say right here, you'll be able to see that the video call button, it has a green dot right there. This doesn't mean that this person can receive my call or is not on an Instagram call, but this is just an indication that they are online and can receive a call. So in order for you to check if they are on Instagram call, you just have to tap on this button right here, the video call button. And if they decline this, that means that they are on Instagram call. Now, on other parts, if some of your contact states that they are active long ago or are not active now, that is a clear indication that they are not on an Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.